I wasn't even going to make a video today, but something came across on my email that I said, I have to make this. The money that you'll save on this is absolutely phenomenal. And to be quite frank, I'm sort of over the deal videos. I didn't think I was going to make any for another week or two. But what I have for you today, you're going to love. I got two different platforms. I got Flex and I got Dewalt. If you're in either one of those platforms or thinking about getting into those platforms, wait until you see the email that I had sent over to me today. You're going to save some money. So let me show you the Flex deals first, and I'll move it over to the Dewalt. All right, so Flex first. This is a phenomenal deal. So you can see the two links here. I'll leave those in the description below. You can just click on them. I'll take you right here. You can get either the 3.5H stack lithium ion starter kit or the 24 volts, the 5Ah. So if you don't know the difference, the 3.5Ah, the batteries from Flex, they are the stacked lithium like cell phone batteries. They're a little bit more expensive, believe it or not, than the actual bigger 5.0 that are cylindrical cells. All right, so you're going to look at this and you're going to say to yourself, he crazy, man? Is he loco, mine? The 3.5 stacked lithium and the rapid charger, $199? What kind of deal is that? Well, if you buy this kit, and there's two of them you can choose from, this and the other one I'll show you, you're going to save up to $299. So let me show you. If I take this and I put this in my cart, go add the cart, of course it'll pop up as $199. However, if I click on view cart, something's going to pop up right here. All right, so it might take a second, but once it does, you're going to see this here, the jigsaw, the 24 volt drywall screwer tool. I can't say it because YouTube sucks. The rotary hammer. I keep scrolling through. Here, look at this. The bandsaw. It's a compact. The one-handed recip saw. The cutout tool. The sander. The router. The grinder. The radio. The fan. The Flex 24 volt light. But here's a list of all of the tools that you're going to be able to get. So if you got the trim router, that's $199 if you were to buy that by itself. You're going to get that for free if you buy this kit. And here's the other kit too. This is the 24 volt starter kit 5Ah battery. 160 watt fast charger. It's not the stacked lithium, but it's $169. And again, you'll be able to pick these tools. So again, if you see this, it'll say free item up on top. It's $169, a little cheaper. But if I hit add to cart, let's just do that now. And it'll say added. You go to the cart, hit view cart, and that will pop up on you. Give it a second and it will load up this, and you can see the same item. So it's not the whole catalog, but you get a lot to choose from. So the radio, the router, the sanders, all of this stuff is really good stuff, professional grade stuff. So phenomenal buy. So that's a Flex. If you're thinking about getting this brand, let me tell you one last thing before we move it over to the Dewalt. They have a lifetime warranty on these all the way up to the end of next month. So if you buy in 2023, you get a lifetime service warranty on these things. After 2023, when you go into 2024, I think it's a 5-year, but now if you buy these, you are getting the lifetime warranty. Let's move it over to Dewalt. All right, so these do not start until Friday. I believe today is, well, it's Wednesday. It's my day off, but again, these deals are so real nice, like I want to get these out to you. So starting Friday, again, I can't put these in the cart and show you because they haven't started yet. There's a list of these things. The first deal that they're going to have beginning Friday 12/1 is that if you spend $200 plus on tons of tools in the cart, look at all these different tools right here that you can get, you're going to be able to get $50 off, which is pretty good. So you spend $200, get the free shipping, and you get the $50 off. You can pick from all of these tools here, okay? But if I scroll down, look at this one. Dewalt, this is starting 12/1 through 12/17. If you buy the 2 battery starter kit, the power stack, and I believe that's going to go into $349, you'll be able to pick 2 free bare tools, 2 of them. So let me just show you. I'll read some of these off. 6.5 brushless cordless circular saw, Max Flex Volt 6.0 or 6AH battery, Atomic 20 volt driver, Max XR brushless cordless compact router, the brushless cordless reciprocating saw. You're going to get to pick 2 of these. So you spend the $349. This saw here is $219. This is $199. It's like $418 in free tools that you're going to get. Cordless handheld blower, $159. You got a small angle grinder, 1/4 inch brushless cordless 3-speed impact driver. You're going to get to pick, look at this, Dewalt, 2 free bare tools with power stack 2 battery starter kit. You cannot beat that deal. So I don't know if you're done spending the money on Christmas shopping or yourself or not. I'm telling you though, these are fantastic. The Flex deals, fantastic. This right here, the $50 off of $200, that's still really good. But man, this one here, 2 free bare tools if you buy the power stack to battery, start getting this to 5.0. Let me show you that one. This is the kit right here. You get the charger, the 1.7 power stack, and then the 5AH power stack. So, and these are, again, the power stacks. They're basically the cell phone batteries stacked on top of each other. So it's like the new technology that everybody's coming out with. You know, Dewalt has it, Flex has it, Milwaukee has it now. This is the way of the future, not the cylindrical cells. And let me show you one other bit of information that I think is real NAS-like, is that usually these things will go out of stock because they'll sell very quickly. This right here says, does not need to be in stock to qualify. So that is also real NAS-like. So for us to continue doing these videos and bringing them to you, smash the like button, share this out with your friends so they can save some money. They'll like you way better than they already do now if you save them a little bit of moolah. And get subscribed, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future deal videos or tool reviews. Back with more videos soon.